beautiful people. Welcome to the Art Bits. And today's edition, we're here at Four Seasons, and here is where the 2026 Art in the Park is happening. Art in the Park is an annual event organized by WESIM that happens twice every year. It's a biannual event. It happens somewhere around May, and it also happens somewhere around November. So we're having the first for the year 2026. Here we have a lot of artists showcasing their work and everything nice and in between. And Artbit is right here to just bring them all to your screen to let you know what we have going on here. The name is Chisoma Yurenda. Please do stay with me and make sure that you tell that other art lover that Artbit is on your screen. Beautiful people, Art in the Park 2026 is where we are at, the first one for this year, and I'm with the beautiful Vanessa. Girl, how are you? How are you?
I'm okay, how are you?
I'm great.
Great.
What do you have for us?
We have
this
Malawi.
Afternoon, yes?
Representation of Malawi.
Okay.
Family, and that side is the lake.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what was like the inspiration behind your pieces today?
Like I said, this side is Malawi. So you have the mountain, the lake, the culture, and the people. We have the penguin here, our shy friend.
Okay.
And it's just like, people. And we have the crown, the weight of the crown. That's the flag of Malawi. And people wearing their hair proudly.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Amazing stuff.
Thank you.
Is this your first time? I'm assuming this is like your first. Is this your first time participating?
Second time.
Second time.
But this time I came with Kara. The first time it was black and white and monochromes.
Monochromes.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I tried this time with Kara.
Do you have like a signature type of style that you usually work with? And
Yeah, this one.
That's your like signature.
Yeah. But then this time around I wanted to do the cubism. Like a new style,
Yeah.
and just try also do realism, so the animals are more realistic than the people.
Yeah.
So I was just mixing everything together.
Okay.
Yeah.
Amazing stuff.
Thank you.
I am looking at this. This is actually a very beautiful piece. How long did it take you to like finish this? Like
4
from
months.
scratch? You lie.
Okay. It was so many ideas in one. So I remember starting
Yeah,
with
because
like
I think from afar you're just looking at the Gulewankulu and the
Yeah.
people, but you come closer, you look
you will
at the
see.
lake. and
Even
the-
if you can go in, you can see that's a bit blue. So the whole canvas was blue at first.
Oh wow.
And then I did the gule.
Uh-huh.
And then my dad suggested let's add something more. My dad is one of the people who's like, let's do this. Let's do this. Try
Is he
this.
also like a visual artist?
Nope.
It's
But he's
just
a critic.
a creative.
He tells me that he's my critic.
Okay.
So we did the circles because we wanted to match with the whole theme of
Yeah,
the
yeah.
cubism. And then I think last week, that's when I added the mountain and the lake. So it took so much months. I remember adding the lines halfway.
Yeah.
And then if you can go beside it, you can see it's a continuation of
Of the lines,
of the
yeah.
canvas.
Okay.
So it did take 4 months.
Amazing stuff.
Thank you.
Being your second time here, what would you point out as like the importance of such spaces for artists, for you as a visual artist, Vanessa?
Learning.
Yeah.
Learning from other artists. Like I said, last time I came with more monochromes, more abstract, more dark. And then when you look around, you see colorful work.
A lot of color.
So much color, and then it pushed me.
Yeah.
I don't work with color. I am bad at color. And then it pushed me to learn, to see like, oh, so many people are doing this. Maybe let me try it. But let me still add my own touch to it. Not just do it. Just because everybody is doing color doesn't mean I have to do the same color.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Also, I'm looking at you and I'm like, oh, at least we have some sort of like a female representation here with their work and all that. How has that been like just navigating through your work and also being a woman in a male-dominated industry?
Male-dominated here.
Big time, yeah.
We are only 5 this year.
Yes.
And it's about 44.
Okay.
44 men and like 5.
Okay,
five
five.
women.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's male-dominated.
So it's male dominated. But I feel like when we get opportunities to come in the spaces and also you deliver, they kind of start seeing you as maybe an equal.
Yes.
And then they're going to open more room to
Yeah.
other female creatives. There's a joke going on online right now. Most female creatives learn to abstract.
Yeah.
they don't know how to paint. So that's why they do abstract. So now when they come, if you can go and see other artists, you see they've done, I mean, Tikala, she's a
Yes.
charcoal artist.
Yes.
She has done beautiful work and she's not doing abstract. And so now when they come here and then they see that,
They see her work,
other women also doing this,
this,
they
yeah.
give us more room. Yeah.
Do you once in a while like just get a chance to network and also talk to other artists specifically here, share notes and all that,
I've done it
admire
already.
their work as they do to yours too?
I have done already. Like when we were setting up, we were helping each other. They said on the speech, like a meeting, they told us to work as a community. So now when we were setting up, many people were helping each other. So I feel like it was, oh, Mbana, you did this.
Yeah.
How did you do this? How did you achieve this? Now
Yeah.
we're sharing goals and ideas and everything. Yeah.
All right, amazing girl.
Thank
you so much for your time and for sharing your work with us.
And thank you for
I'm
coming.
sure those that did not know that you are killing it, now they do.
Yes. Thank you so
Now
much.
they do, and also just so you know, she is based in Zomba. So for Zomba people, Blante people, this is your girl. If you need like any form of artwork and all that, even if you're in Nilonge, I mean, it's just Malawi. Malawi is
Malawi is
tiny.
small.
So yeah, let's support our girls. Let's support our artists as we should. Ladies and gentlemen, we're still here at Art in the Park. Do not go anywhere. The sun is shining here, but just stay with me. All right, now I'm with Geoffrey Kamwindo. Some of you might know him as something else, but today we're talking to Geoffrey Kamwindo. Some of you might know him as Bass Cube, but let's leave that aside, guys.
Yeah.
He's not rapping today.
I haven't been booked. I'm here as Joffrey Kamwendo.
Yeah, no performances.
Bass Cube is back in Blanta.
Man, how are you doing?
I'm perfect. I'm all
Yeah?
right. What about you?
I'm good. Good
Awesome.
to see you
Awesome.
again.
Same,
It's like
same.
we meet once in a year.
Yeah. Next time we meet at the hike.
At a hike, and
Then,
then,
yeah.
always
Yeah.
a great time.
Always.
though. All right, amazing stuff. Can you just tell me what we have here? The type of, is it like thematic? Is it like something that
Not really, but I like doing expressions.
Yeah.
I like painting expressions, people's expressions.
Yeah.
Like faces of people being happy, people laughing. You know, the type of bold colors, even
Yeah.
bold expressions, as I can say.
Yeah.
That's how I translate. That's how I translate my art.
Yeah.
Stories. Here behind us, there's a painting of these two women having a chat.
Yeah.
It's the title's Dinkani.
Dinkani.
Yeah.
Oh,
So you know
makes a
that's
lot of
that's
sense.
I like sparking conversations. Happy faces. Trying to show a brighter side to human life,
Human life,
and through art. Yeah.
Is there a specific reason why you love color? Because I think from your work, I've never seen monochrome whatsoever.
Yeah.
Abstract. It's always
I
like,
really do love color, and I love playing around with it. My favorite color is yellow, so it's
Okay.
bright.
Yeah,
So I think it just brings attention.
Yeah.
Color brings attention because a person can pass by the store and be like, okay, I see colors over here. So yeah, they might prompt them to stop, but also just like personal preference. Yeah, I like color, and
Yeah.
I like my images to pop.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yellow, a weird color for a guy, but okay.
I mean,
it is
yeah,
what it is.
it is what it is.
All right. And also, I'm looking at a lot of like feminine,
Yeah.
I look at the women, the kids,
Yeah.
and all that. Is there a specific reason why?
Not a specific reason, but
Like,
as I say,
mambo feminist.
Did a feminist guy? I'm already I'm a feminist.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right. Does that have any effect or impact on your work in one way or the other?
To some extent, because as I said, I like showing expression.
Yeah.
Right. Most paintings depict women maybe carrying something. Maybe
Yes.
sometimes it's just about laughing. Sometimes just about releasing the joy.
Yeah.
So yeah, those are the type of things I like to see. So on the feminism side as well. So as I explained earlier about Tinkani,
Yes.
this painting.
Yeah.
These women having a conversation. We don't know what conversation is about, but you'd actually know that this is a hard
is-
story. Yeah, this,
yeah,
it's
for real.
on type. So yeah, it's not specifically on a thematic form that I'm putting like women, but it's just what's in my mind at the specific time when I'm painting.
I'm also looking at this as a kari.
Yeah, auntie.
Nice, yes, giving those.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
exactly.
You know those type of aunties. These type of aunties you see at a wedding or what. Yeah, type.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to reach to. Those people are also
Yeah,
happy.
we
Those-
see the yellow there
yeah,
as well.
seeing a painting like this, it will remind you of a person that of that type of character.
Yeah?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Amazing stuff. So
Yeah.
also, I'm not gonna run away from the fact that you're like one of the best rappers that we have in the land.
I like the fact that you say best.
Best is the
Best.
word. Gold
Absolutely.
is the word.
The best, the greatest.
Yeah.
Yes.
We cannot run away from that. Well,
Exactly.
personally, at least that might be subjective. But
Nah, if it's on
yeah.
Zodiac, it's facts.
Yeah,
bro.
if you hear it from here.
Exactly.
Zikachitika, All right, man. So your creativity with like the way we work with your paper as a rapper and your expression
Yeah.
as a visual
Easily-
artist, how do you draw the line?
Easily said.
Yes.
As you said, I'm an artist.
Yeah.
Right? I'm an artist. Right now, I'm into film as well. I just graduated from film school. Yeah.
Oh damn!
Yeah.
Oh my,
So,
you're doing the most.
I mean, so I'm an artist. I paint visions.
Yeah.
So whatever I vision, whatever I imagine, I can put it on a paper. I
Yeah.
can put it on screen. I can put it in the music.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll easily say it like that. Next you see Bass Cube in the studio. You see Bass Cube in the studio doing art.
You're just being an artist.
Exactly. I'm just being an artist. I'm just doing what I love because I think in this world you have to do what you love 1st, and the rest will follow. Exactly.
I've been here at Art in the Park for like maybe 3 consecutive years, and I've met you here all those times.
All the times, yeah.
What would you point out as the importance of spaces like this to
The importance
you?
in spaces like this is because Art in the Park specifically is the #1 arts festival in the country.
yeah.
So it's really important because when where else are we gonna sell our art? Are we gonna have solo exhibitions, or are
Yeah.
we gonna like collaborate like this with other artists and come
Yeah.
together and like sell art, sell paintings?
Yeah.
Because a festival like this also inspires kids. Because
True.
people that come here we're not trying to just sell paintings. We're trying to
Yeah.
inspire these little kids that come
Yeah.
through and see paintings and so on. That's why it's actually free for
Free,
under
yeah.
12.
Yeah.
So yeah, these guys are really doing a good job in terms of that, and also artists are making money through themselves, and they're making a living. So man, kudos to Art in the Park and Wisdom for the work they do.
Yeah. We hope to see more of these, and we hope to
Absolutely.
see them bigger and
Yeah,
better.
yeah.
All right, man. Thank you so much
It's
for
always a pleasure.
your time.
It's always a pleasure.
Always.
The greatest as well, the goats.
Yeah, you had to return
Yeah,
the favor.
exactly.
All right, man. Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Chris Towler, ladies and gentlemen, drum rolls. How you doing, man?
I'm good, and you?
Good to see you
Likewise.
again.
Yeah.
Always a great time.
Yeah.
Art in the Park, day 2. How is it going for you?
It's going so great.
Yeah.
Sold one piece.
Yeah.
And I'm hoping to sell more as well. Yeah.
What do
sure.
you have for us this
I
year?
have some paintings, the mixed media paintings,
Yeah.
and the about wildlife. So yeah, that's all about it.
All about it. I really love your style. Also, some people are like, I really want you to just take me through.
Okay,
your style.
so I have these paintings that are made with watercolor.
Okay.
So it's on paper.
Uh-huh.
So usually when a client buys this, they're going to put it in a frame.
It has to be.
It has to
framed.
go into a
Okay.
frame. So the reason why I don't put my work in the frame is because I've had some challenges back then when a client would come in and they'll see the frame that I'll buy some frames that they wouldn't like.
They
And
like
then
the
they'll-
work, but they
yeah,
don't
yeah.
like the
So I
frame.
just went like, okay, let me just be displaying it on just
And then they
leaving
put
it.
it in whatever frame they want.
Sure. So when they buy it, they put it in their own frame that they want. But yeah, that's all about it.
Can I touch this?
Yeah, you can touch it.
How does this work? It looks like there was some drawing there, some water splashing and all that. How does it work? Take me
Okay.
through your creative routine, step by step.
Okay, so basically you start with the paper,
Uh-huh.
pick a right paper,
Yeah.
because there are different types of paper where some paper will get torn
Yeah.
when you're using paper, some wood I mean, on
Okay,
it.
yeah.
And then you do the sketching, you find a better reference for you to tell your story.
Yes.
So, like for this, you can see the title, That's My Meal. It was all about the lion getting the food and telling the others like, oh no,
This is my
this is
meal."
my this is my meal. So yeah, you find a better concept and the better references, and you sketch it out and you start adding the colors that align with the story
Yeah.
that you want to tell.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, that's basically how I work.
Okay.
Yeah.
Amazing. You talked about the kind of paper that you use. What kind of paper is this? Because I know that the actual plain papers that we use are going to get torn in like a minute before you even start drawing.
Okay, it's called watercolor paper.
Ah,
So
okay.
it's just there are different varieties where, as you can see, it's a little bit thicker,
Yeah.
and they even get even more thicker.
Ah, okay.
Until to the point where it's this thick.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's like hardcore.
Yeah, yeah. So when you're using a paper which is like this thick,
Yeah.
it doesn't warp, as you can see with this.
Yeah.
It's warping, and yeah, you don't want that, but it depends with the materials that you're using.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Amazing stuff. I see a lot of wildlife. I see a lot of human faces. Is there a style or a theme or a specific type of like, you know?
Okay, for the human face. Okay, so for the wildlife
Yeah.
paintings, I was trying to walk in line with the theme of this year for Art in the Park.
Uh-huh.
It was about wildlife. They just said wildlife.
Wildlife.
So I was like, okay, let me
amazing.
just
Let me
create something
yeah,
based on that
okay,
theme.
All right.
So when it comes to the faces,
yeah.
I just figured
Oh,
because
this is so good.
okay, so for the faces, it's something that's personal. I like funny faces,
Mm.
and I just wanted to like showcase something that is different
Yeah.
from the wildlife stuff. Maybe to give some people a little bit of my perspective of different
Yeah.
emotions. Yeah.
You know, I've met you at almost every like art event that I've been through. What would you point out as like the importance of spaces like this for artists like you?
Okay, yeah. So throughout my years exhibiting here or any other exhibition,
Yeah.
it has been a matter of connections. Like the networking is really good,
Yeah.
and as well as selling. You
Yeah.
sell.
Yeah, you might not meet your
Yeah.
customer today, but
Yeah,
you might meet a potential customer.
So you get some commissions as well. You get some
Yeah,
clients.
nice. Okay.
You network, like that's how I met you
Yeah.
because of this. So yeah, it's really good, and I would say it should continue going
Yeah.
on. Yeah.
Okay,
We need
amazing.
more of this.
Yeah, for sure. Like moving forward, maybe what are certain things that you'd say, I would really love to see this in the near future when we come to like art in the park in the next 5 years?
I would say we need more of this art, but maybe we will be getting a little bit more support from maybe the government, because I know they have this thing whereby they've accepted the NAHEC thing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the bill.
so
Yeah.
it was really good it's really good for the arts, but they need to support more. I think if they do more of these things, it would be a really good initiative.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
We love your work. And we're always rooting for you. I mean, you do an amazing job. So yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Beautiful people, we're still at Art in the Park, and I'm with the amazing, talented Lovemore. How are you doing?
I'm okay, how are you?
I am good.
Thank you, nice to meet you again.
Good to see you again after a long time. Always a great time, and it's great to see your amazing work here.
Thank you.
How has it been like the second day of Art in the Park this year?
It's actually cool.
Yeah?
Honestly, yeah, the experience is just top notch as usual, you know?
Yeah.
The organizers, they're always ready. So it's actually good to be here, honestly.
Yeah.
Always. And also the social environment where artists we meet,
Yeah.
it gives a different vibe altogether.
How does that work? Because I mean, everybody's here with their work and all
Yeah.
that. Do you like share notes? Do you like?
All sharing notes, okay. Yeah, but then of course everybody has their own style, yeah? But then sometimes you go home and then you think of something, how you can actually make your art better.
Yeah.
Because you see, okay, this artist is actually getting much attention, not just selling,
Yeah.
but the attention itself. You understand? Yeah, maybe you used to go with black and white. Maybe you
Yeah.
have to mix a little bit of
Color,
color to
yeah.
catch attention.
Yeah.
So it's actually good to engage with the artists as well. Yeah. So it's not all about money, but then also exploring, because we never stop learning as artists, artists out together. Yeah.
As you should.
Yeah.
I'm looking at your work. It's smooth. It's neat. It has a lot of details and all that. I love it. I really
We're
love it.
improving every day.
Yeah. What kind of? How would you describe your work actually, and what tools do you actually use? Because someone's like, I'm looking like 2D. 3D.
Oh yeah. Okay, so mostly I use charcoal pencils. I use charcoal pencils
okay.
and a little bit of color. That's ballpoint pen. Okay.
Oh, you're kidding?
Yeah, that's actually ballpoint pen.
Oh, wow.
So yeah, as I was saying, it's a matter of exploring. So if you notice the previous pieces,
Yeah.
I had black and white mostly.
Yeah.
But now I've actually included color.
Yeah.
So it's just a matter of exploring. So mostly my pieces, they talk about social issues mostly, and when you see them, you connect with them.
Yeah.
They stick to your mind even when you go home. So that's what I do mostly. I'm a
Yeah.
storyteller, in other words.
Yeah,
Yeah.
amazing. How long did this piece take? I'm sorry, this is like my favorite.
Oh
so
yeah,
far.
yeah.
How long did it take you to like start from scratch?
From
to,
scratch.
like, yeah.
Okay, so this piece, it took me 2 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah, 2 weeks, but then it wasn't a single sitting.
Okay.
So if I add the hours together, maybe I would say close to 40 hours, something like that.
Yeah.
But because of work and all that, I had to stop, do other stuff and whatnot. But then that was it.
Okay, in fragments.
Yeah, in fragments, as you can see.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, amazing stuff. I'm looking at there's like wildlife, there's like the expressions and all that. At the end of the day,
Yeah.
were you working on like a specific theme or type of expression that you were working on?
Yeah,
with your
okay.
pieces?
So I tried as much as possible to stick to the Art in the Park theme
Yeah.
of this year,
Yeah.
because it's talking about wisdom itself,
Yeah.
which talks about nature.
Nature,
Yeah.
yeah.
So the previous one, I kind of diverged from the theme, which was okay. But I just tried to stick to the theme a little bit. If you notice, every piece here actually has the element of nature.
Nature, yeah.
Yeah. So that's what I try to do this time around. Yeah, I try to combine, like, of course this is a single piece even though there are two pieces, but then I try to merge that element of nature, not to run away from it. Yeah, that's
Okay.
what I did.
All right, amazing stuff. Good to see that.
Yeah.
You're having a great time. I understand you also have an art exhibition in September.
Talk more about that. Talk more
Guys,
about that later.
we're definitely gonna have an episode talking about
Yeah.
this exhibition, and
Yeah.
we're gonna be there.
Yeah.
So yeah, just look out for his work.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's an amazing artist. I can tell you that. Believe me when I say it.
I'm humble. Thank you.
All right. Great to see you,
Yeah.
and thank you so much for
Thank you so much for
just
coming.
having your time.
You
to
kept your
just talk.
promise.
I did.
Yeah.
I told you I was gonna come, and I did.
Yeah, thank you so much.
All right, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
Beautiful people, with that we've come to the end of today's edition of Art Beat at Art in the Park here at Four Seasons. Many thanks to Wezim, the organizers of Art in the Park. We love to see it. This is a space where ma-artists ambirimbiri amabwera pamodzi kuonesa luso lao ena ndi amene ndithu tacheza nawo. Many thanks to you for being there. The name is Chisomo Nyirenda. Until next time, stay creative.